Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Nasim from nasimraj.com, and in this video I am going to show you how you can create Pixel ID in Meta Business Suite. So no more talks, let's get started. Facebook Pixel is a tracking tool from Meta that helps you measure the effectiveness of your ads by understanding the action people take on your website. It also allows you track conversion, retarget audience, optimize ad, and analyze performance. Pixel ID is still popular with the name of Facebook Pixel ID, but Facebook has changed the name and location. Facebook called it now Dataset. Let's see how you can create Facebook pixels or the dataset. Making pixel ID, you have to go the Facebook and then just go to Meta Business Suite and select your business profile and then visit settings. And this is the window you will see. Under the data source, you will see pixels. Right now, Facebook changed the location of pixels. Facebook now transfer it pixels to datasets. So let's click on datasets. And here is the option we can make the datasets. Just hit the add new and then give your name. For my case, I am going to new. So this is the new pixel ID and hit create. And here you can see this is my dataset ID. Okay. So our dataset or pixel ID is now ready. Now it's time to connect to your website. Let's see how you can connect it. You just simply have to go and open this dataset on Event Manager. And here you can see this is the way how you can set up conversion API, set up meta pixels, and you can share data from your mobile apps, and you can also upload the spreadsheet. From among of this way, I always do prefer set up metapixels this option and install code manually. And if you want, you can use with the partner integration. So let's check the partner integration first. So if you are using your website with this common platform, then you can easily connect your pixel with them because they also has their partner integration or the apps. Here you can see there is the Google Tag Manager also available, but my recommendation is not use the option like this because most of the case there is no option to customize or manage or audit the pixel ID why this is not working or why these pixels are overrated. That's why always I do prefer the Google Tag Manager, but not from this linking. Close this window and go again and install code manually. Here you can see this is the actual pixel code. Just copy it and paste it in your website under the head tag. If you want, you can set up Facebook pixels with Google Tag Manager. So that I will show you on the another video. But for this video, just you have to copy this code and you have to paste under the website backend. I hope you can do that. If you are not so technical and still the all the part you are not understand well, then I recommend you book a consultancy meeting with me. I will give a link on this video description and I will help you to set up Facebook pixel and whatever pixel you want to connect to your website and how accurate you are going to get the conversion. So that's all for today. If you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing to this channel because it will help me to continue working on this channel. My name is Nasim and I will see you on the next video. Till then, bye. Have a great day.